What's up everyone? It's me, your Tree John Valencia. Welcome back to Chule Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-18. Ito na nga ang inyong requested performance na SB19 sa Lollapalooza 2026. Lollapalooza? Parang ano lang yun na yung sa close-up dati. It's Lollapalooza Chicago 2026 para sa performance nila ng Crimzone, kung saan ay may hubadero tayo mapapanood for today's video. Syempre, ito ang ating bias na si Stel dahil naman talaga ay nagpakita ito ng kanyang pinagmamalaking abs. Ang pinaghirapan niyang katawan. Kaya naman excited tayo for this, guys. Excited na ba kayo? Kasi excited ako. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. Go. Hear this, guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Hey, I love this song as well. But of course, mas inaabangan natin ang pakatawan ni Stel. Minsan lang to. Grabe, naghubad sa US. Charis. Ayun, nakahubad na agad si Stel. Ooh, love the energy. Whoa, look at the people jamming with SB19. Uy! Asan na si Stel? Ayun! Grabe. Kinatawan talaga tayo ni Stel for today's video. Astig. Sorry guys, kay Stel lang ako nakatingin for today's video kasi minsan lang to. Ganda rin ng biceps ni Ken. Whoa. Stick. Go, Josh! Very cowboy naman pala si Josh dito. Ayan na si Stel! Oh my God! Oh my God, grabe. Sorry guys, talagang ito ang tunay na kinatawan ng Pilipinas. Chares! Kinatawan tayo ni Stel ang kanyang katawan. He flaunted, he got it, and it's in the US of A. Go! Stig! Yeah! Oh my God, grabe naman si Stel. Grabe guys, ang sharap ni Stel. Wala bang close up? Charit. Grabe giling. Oh my God, grabe ka, Stel. Iba yung energy, guys. Nakaka-proud talaga ang mga boys natin. Jess! Listen to that vocal plus the body. Wow! May paghawak pa sa belt. Wow! Akalain yun, bumibirit si Stel ng naka-topless. I love it. Whoa! Live vocals, guys, no? Grabe. Titig na titig kay Stel, gana. Whoa! Love that vocal flair. Oh my God! Sexy ni Stel! Sana kin-close up si Stel, diba? Charet, kasi nga fan cam lang to, guys. Hindi tayo pwede doon sa original video. Grabe, 40 minutes ata tong performance nila, guys. Binaba pa ni Stel yung pantalon niya. Para may pa-brief. Charet. Woohoo! Whoa! That's how you do. Oh my God. Grabe naman yun. Parang nagdante gulapa naman si Steldon. I love it. Balikan natin ang very light, guys. Tignan nyo, tignan nyo! Back, oh. Whoa! Oh my God, Sarab! Huh? Pati yung facial expression. Hey! Oh, di ba? Oh. My God, pati nakiligili ni Style. Charis! Hey! Oh my God! Ay, nagtanggal ng cup si Josh. Hey! Hey! Love the energy. Everybody's jumping. Lift to that crowd. Yun, dami din nanonood sa likod, guys. May front row pala. Eh. Drip, drip, drip. Eh. Grabe. Eh. Whoa, love it. Amazing. There you have it, guys. That is SB19 performing in the Lollapalooza 2026 Crim Zone, which is talaga naman, kinatawan po tayo ni Stel ng bonggang-bongga. He raised our flag through his body. Charet! Oo, grabe ang sexiness. Oozing with self-confidence naman talaga ating Stel. Dahil naman pinaghirapan niya yun, guys. And deserve niyang i-flaunt yun sa buong mundo o nanonood ng Lollapalooza. Parang pinaghandaan niya talaga yun. Parang sinadya niya yun na, magpapakita tayo ng katawan dahil kinatawan natin ang Pilipinas. Charet! Grabe, I love it. Thank you so much for requesting this. And of course, nag-enjoy ako ng bongga-bongga. Baka ulitin ka pa. At hanapin ko yung talagang video na may close-up ni Stella. Ganon. At syempre, ano masasabi niyo sa performance na to, guys? Alam ko na makalat, pero pasensya na. Hindi natin mapipigilan yan. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction, don't forget to like our video. And also subscribe to Chula Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Chula Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.